Here's my little van. So these open, and it's got this opens as well, so you can see through properly. And this, if anything feels like it needs forcing, you're doing it wrong. Oh, I'll shut that properly. So it's already set up, something like, well, ready to go. So all my storage is at the back of here. I've got a big double unit there. Under there, there's the gas cabinet, sleeping bag. I bought an extra topper. This is one of them self-inflatable things. Fantastic. This here is, let me see if I can zoom out, is my bathroom. So my toilet, my shower's in there, but I don't use shower due to condensation, mould, etc. My little double cupboards and my food's in there. That's my dog shelf. You know, treats. Don't forget your little tick thingy, because it's rife at the moment. They're a godsend. These little condensation boxes. Don't buy the bag ones because they explode. And I found out that the hard way. So, double burner. Let me shift that. I attach that because I sleep that way. And I put my phone in it and I watch YouTube and stuff. And then it's next to my socket. So I can go on, charge it at the same time. Little sink. That needs a wipe. My electrics. I've got heated water. That's currently under the seating. So the seating, let me see if I can get back. Yeah, hold on. I can fully stand. This is me, and I'm about 4" off top. Same again, double units. This is my reverse wire. That's my reversing cable, which I actually unplug when I get wherever I'm going. Little cabinets. My little fridge. That's my little cubby hole with my sunglasses and socks and my night socks. Unit. Put my water in, some in cleaning stuff. Little cabinet with me bits and bobs. And same again in there. I did myself an itinerary so I know where things are. So the bed at the moment is semi pulled out. You can see that bit there at the back here. So these move. I put one at bottom and one at top so it feels like an headboard and footboard. So that there can completely come out. It's another one of these basically. So you can have so there's more of a galley. But personally, I find it easier. I'm disabled, so not that I usually need to chuck that in. But it's just easier on a night for me just to put my topper on here. Dog lays in that corner. Put my topper on. I've got a mattress protector as well because it's dog. And then I have a all seasons sleeping bag. These, I've got loads of these because inside them are actually my throws and extra covers and bits and bobs that you want out of view, basically. So that's always a good idea. This were already done out, and I'm glad because it's a colour that I actually love the colour. This is a makeshift curtain that I'd actually got in-house that's the same colour. Extra cushions. It's parked on the street at the moment, that's why these are here out at way. I don't know if you can see those. They're extra cushions. It's just to stop people from getting view because my cars aren't drive and the gearbox is playing up. Great. So now this here is a captain's chair. So there's a lever on side and it totally spins round this way. So I sit in there, window open or door open, feet against there because this comes off. This just lifts off, so that's great. Or whatever. And there's actually a little thing, his ball, that's bracket there where you affix a table, which is in the back. It's actually at the back of the, there's like a bit of storage at the back of the van where shower is. So you just put the pole in, attach tabletop, which is a little circular thing. So, you know, you can sit there, have a cup of tea, or sit over there, have your cup of tea. Not actually used that yet. I've not felt no, because I sit here, I can just put stuff on the side here anyway. So, front of van's a bit messy because I've got stuff to take in. But you don't really need to see that. This one's not a captain's chair, but this one is. And apparently that's my reverse camera there at front, which is brilliant because I got one that you don't actually have to, if you buy the ones that attach to your brake pedal, your brake wire in the back, to your reverse light basically, it'll only work when you're reversing. Now this one literally plugs straight into me 12 volt. I've got it unplugged at the moment because I nearly kicked it out earlier when I come through, actually this bit. You can use it as a rear view camera, which is brilliant when you've got no back windows. Well, I have got one window, but you can't possibly see through that, even if all my stuff wasn't there, you'd not be able to see it. So that's that, I think. Any more important bits? These silver reflectors, I just leave them outside of there. They're for windows. They're brilliant. Keeps it cool. Really cool in here. I've got a little light, but that needs some work as well because I had a little bit of a leak over there, but I think it's condensation actually. So, job's a good one. Oh, that's all right. I'm sure there was something else to tell you. Can't remember. Anyway, that's my little van.